Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the source so you can remove it fast. Open your app list and sort by last used. This often exposes the culprit. Once you spot a recent or unknown app, tap permissions and turn off notifications and draw over other apps. This prevents pop-ups instantly. If it's clearly malicious, uninstall it now. If not, force stop and clear cache to test. Doing this preserves your workflow while preventing more interruptions. Once done identifying apps, harden your browser and app permissions. Open Chrome settings, go to Site Settings, then Pop-ups and Redirects, set to block to stop scripted ads. Make sure notifications are off for unknown sites. Clear any saved permissions. Next, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Special Access, and revoke Draw over other apps for anything you don't trust. If ads persist, reset app preferences to remove hidden permissions quickly. Then test to see whether pop-ups stop. To finish, clear your browser cache and update all apps and the Android system. Outdated software can still trigger ads. If pop-ups continue, reboot into safe mode to see whether a third-party app is responsible. Uninstall any app that disappears in safe mode. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove persistent malware. If you're stuck, one key troubleshooting tip: boot to safe mode to isolate the problem quickly before taking drastic steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.